And one of the folios we produce during that time, we call it the red folio. Si Japet actually gumawa ng cover dito siya, but you guys take them all outside. That folio kasi we happen to have a Raptor photographer, si Alex that time. And she was shooting yung mga aftermath of the EJ case all around Metro Manila. So we published that as in with the blood and all. I think feeling ko naman for my that's more or less yung proud. Or gusto yung gusto namin talaga i-share na issue. And the basically the works in the folio were all about EJKs and Chinese Duterte and doon din yung mga works sa mga alumni nila in the fanfics ni Louis Stroke. So yeah, I think somehow Malate manages to rise above and communicate yung nangyayari na issues. By time then is very memorable for me. I think a lot of us do. And a lot of us are still friends. Like the day kami sa BLTX, etc. Um, so yeah, I think it taught us a lot about writing as something, as a way to also amplify voices. At the same time, to be more aware kung ano yung nangyayari sa society. And not just to give voices actually, para ma-elevate din yung pagtingin natin sa art and how do we make art accessible to others. Or how do we make the voices heard na hindi lang tayo nagsusulat for them. Because during that time din parang kakalaunch nung ng Gantala Press, and one of their first issues is Danas. And tungkol yan sa mga experiences of women na nag-work abroad. And amplify the voices. Sila yung nagsulat dun. I think that's one of the more significant things na makikita natin. So, it's not just us na mag-amplify ng voices na yun. It's also actually giving yung voices